Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to a new review. This is a date run of 10p's and 20p's. I've been meaning to do it for a while and I've finally now got round to it. This is in the black book. The 1 and 2s and 5s are in the red version. Now, for those of you who were born after the sort of 1980s, you may not have seen these except in these sort of videos. This original 10p, the larger size one, and they have the lion passant on the rear, were bought in and originally made in 1968, and they ran alongside the 2 shilling coin for a considerable period from the 68 through until the 2nd February 71, when they became the only legal tender, and the 2 shilling was then, the 2 shilling coins that were still out there were being slowly withdrawn as they went into the banks. 71 was the first year of decimalisation. 72 was and 78 were both only produced in the year sets on this lot. Then we have a series of going from 82 through to the end of this page, which is, when is that, 86, 87 is it? 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, where they're all business strikes. Now, from what I understand as business strikes meant they were only issued to businesses. I don't know how big the business had to be able to get them, and how many of them went into circulation I am not 100% sure. 86 was a business strike, as was 92. 90 was a business strike, 91 was a business strike. What was 93? Let me just have a swift gander. 93, 94, 98 and 99 were issued only in the year sets. So 95 and 96 were the next years that the 10p's were released. 98 and 99 were in sets. Year 2000 they went into circulation, as they did with 02 and 06, which are the other ones that I'm missing on that page. We still had as the rear the lion passant. You can see that the lion passant was still issued right the way through and through to the last year. In 2007 was, I'm also missing. Now 2008 is a special year. There were 2 coins struck in this year. One of them had the lion on it. The second one, later on in the year, had the shield. And if you have a look at all these coins after 08, if I just turn them over for you, all of them are shields. Now I'm missing both the 08 lion and the 08 shield. And I'm missing 17, 18 and 19. I'm not sure if I've got some of those in year sets or not. That's broken down year sets that I have. Now, again, in 2010, prior to 2000, them becoming the smaller type, these are all the old style, large size 10p's that I had left over after doing the hunt. Again, these along with the 5p's that I showed in the 5p date run video, these are going to be used either for swaps or given to people who need them for their date run. I haven't decided fully what I'm going to do, but I will be talking to other people who are doing date runs to see if they need coins. Or I might even put them on sale on eBay, I don't know yet. So that's the 10p's. I left a blank set of them. And next we come to the 20p's. The 20p's have had two designs. The first design on the reverse is this one. It's the rose and crown, the Tudor rose and crown, with above it with 20p at the bottom. Now, the 20p started off a lot later than decimalisation. It started back in 1982. So you had the first 4 years went fine, then the 5th year, 86, they're only issued in sets, the annual year sets, as they were in no, that's it. The 86 was the first one that was in its year set only. 87, 89 and 890. Now 92, there were two different versions. One was the small head of the Queen, and the other one was the large head of the Queen on the obverse side. And 95 to 90 to the year 2000 on that page. The next page goes from 2001 to 2017. The rare ones was in 08. We had a change. We had the rose up until midway through year 2008. So if you see the coins prior to 08, they still had the rose in. The 2009 ones, however, if you have a look at them, are shields. Can you see that? Shields. Now this one, so I have a gap for both the 08 rose and the shield, which I don't have either of those coins, as I don't have the 2017. But that was issued only in the sets, in the annual sets. So I don't have the 2017 annual set, I don't think, so that's one I'll be looking for differently. Oh, of course, yes, there was 3 in 08, I forgot about that. I have the 2008 shield, but the two that I'm missing, silly of me, the two I'm missing the rose, and I'm missing the 08 dateless coin, which is the Kew Gardens, shall we say, of the 20p's. Trying to find the dateless ones, they go for an extraordinary amount of money on eBay. Then I've got the 2018 in the set, and that's the only one I now need up until next year's annual sets, 2023. So normal size 10p's and 20p's. I'll be looking through these for the year 2000 and trying to find them for Christopher. If I do find any, I'll pass them on. If not, these will either be spent in some way or will be swapped. So this ends the 10p and 20p date runs. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, I am trying to grow my subscriber base. At the moment I'm about 110, so I hit my target for this year of 100 by the end of the year, or by Christmas / end of year. I would like to continue to grow my channel over the next however long I do the YouTube for. I intend to keep it going for as long as possible, and I would love to have you along for my overview of coins, banknotes, collectibles and militaria. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe, or to give me the thumbs up. I do approximately 4 videos, a minimum 4 videos a week, and I should imagine you will find something there that you will enjoy watching. So if you're having a hunt, I hope you find the coins you're looking for. If you are doing a buying some coins wherever you're buying them from. I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, thank you for watching the video, and until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you so much and bye bye. Ta-ra now.